Welcome to the Text Alerts walkthrough, where powerful messaging meets smarter tracking. Text alerts let you send personalized messages in bulk to exactly the contacts you want. From the Contacts screen, you can view all your contacts at a glance. Tags make organizing your audience simple. Forget lists. Tags let you group contacts just the way you want. Create as many tags as you need, and assign contacts to more than one. Want to message a specific group? Just select a tags to instantly filter your audience. Now you're ready to send your text alert. Click Text Alerts, then compose your message in the message field. Here's where things get exciting. You can boost engagement and track performance using tracking links. Click the Messaging Tools icon to view your existing tracking links or create a new one on the spot. Give your link a name, add the destination URL, and choose your preferred domain. If you're using a custom domain, you can automatically tag contacts who click your link, so you always know who's interested. Click Save, and your new tracking link is ready to go. Insert it right into your message, and you'll see its name appear inline. Each tracking link is impressively short, using just a 3-character URL slug, keeping your messages clean and professional. Want full control? You can choose to ignore replies, schedule your message for later, and send based on your contact's local time zones for perfectly timed delivery. When you're ready, click Save Alert. You'll see a confirmation showing exactly how many credits your alert will use. Once your text alert is sent, the inbox page will show you responses that need your attention. Opt-out messages like "Stop" will be filtered. And we're just getting started. Soon, you'll be able to build automated message flows based on user actions. You will also be able to harness the power of AI responses. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for updates.